so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Let's draw an animal together. Okay, you can guess what animal it is. It's really tall, has a really long neck. Yeah, and they live in Africa. Yeah, a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe together. First, let's draw the head. Ooh, there we go. 2 little ears, just like that. Oh, and then on top, they have these things called ossicones. Yeah, they kind of look like horns, but they're a lot cuter. All right, 2 small eyes. There we go. And then 2 nostrils, and then a smiley face. Nose, mouth, and eyes. All right, now let's draw the really long neck. Yeah, there we go. And then there's the body. Oh, and then it has 4 legs. There we go. And then the feet. Perfect. And the tail. Whoa. Whoa. And you can't forget about all the spots. Just like that. Oh, there we go. So cute. Wasn't this so much fun drawing a giraffe together? Yeah. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we draw a lizard together? Wow, lizards are so cool. Yeah, it's an animal and it's a reptile, and they live on every continent on planet Earth, except for Antarctica. Whoa. All right, first let's start with the head. All right, here we go. Whoa, what kind of shape does that look like? Kind of looks like a pentagon. Yeah, and then the body. Oh, there we go. Ooh, and then the tail way over here. Whee! Whoa! How does that look? And what's it missing? Yeah, it's 4 limbs. 1 right here. 1 right here. 1 right here. And 1 right here. Oh, and we can't forget the eyes. And the nostrils. And the tongue. There we go. Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a sea turtle with me? Yeah! I love sea turtles. They are so cute. I love how they have a shell and then they can swim underwater. Whoa! All right, first I'm gonna take this green marker and draw the shell. So I'm gonna draw a big curved line like that, and then another curved line right there. Woo! And then that looks like the shell, doesn't it? Yeah, shells are really hard. Up here, I'm gonna draw the neck and the head. Whoa! Perfect! And I'm gonna color in a circle for the eye, and then a smiley face. Yeah! All right, let's draw another curved line like this. Ooh, and another curved line like that, and 3 more curved lines right up there to complete the shell. And then we need to draw 4 squares for the legs. Well, actually, they're not legs. They're actually fins on sea turtles. Yeah, so then they can swim underwater. Wow, I love sea turtles, and I love drawing. If you want to draw with me some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a spider with me? Yeah, I like spiders. They are so cool how they can spin webs. Wow, isn't that unique? I know. All right, to draw a spider, I'm gonna grab this black marker and draw a circle. All right, just like that. And then, since they have 8 legs, let's draw 8 curved lines like that. There we go. And then 4 on this side to make the 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then let's draw a circle right here for an eye, circle right there for an eye, and then a smiley face. But this isn't just a normal spider. This is a black widow. Let's draw the hourglass over there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, black widows have this red hourglass on the body. Yeah, you don't want to get close to those. Whoa, pretty cool. Well, I love drawing, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I think we should draw a panda together. Since pandas are black and white, and the paper is white, I'm gonna grab a black marker, and I'm gonna draw a circle for the head. Whoa! And then a circle for the body. Kind of like that, yeah. And then an arched line up there, and another one, yeah, for the ears. And then a leg down here, which is a curved line. Ooh, and another leg down there. Ooh, and you can't forget about the arms. They're gonna go inside, like sideways U's. Whoa! And then we're gonna draw some eyes, which are black circles. Ooh, a cute nose and a smiley face. All right, now we get to color them in. Here we go. All right, there's one arm. Color that one in. Perfect. And then a leg, another leg, and you can't forget about the ears. Wow, if you like pandas and love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a dog. Hey, why don't you and I draw a dog together? Yeah. All right, first we need to draw 6 circles on the bottom. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. And now 2 half circles, one right there. Whoa, and a bigger one right there. Whoa. Let's draw 2 eyes. Yeah, 2 circles that we color in, just like that. And then let's fill this area in for the nose. And we can't forget about the whiskers. Those are just dots, just like that. Oh, and let's make a little tongue. Okay, let's draw some ovals for some ears, just like that. And then we need to draw the tail. Whoa! Look at that long point. And to finish it up, let's draw some straight lines for the feet. Whoa, cool. Did you like drawing the dog with me? Yeah, that was fun. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Woof, 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 woof. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw something else together? Me too. I think we should draw a hedgehog. All right, I'm gonna take this black marker and draw a diagonal line. Yeah, which is a line on an angle. And then I'm gonna start to draw a circle. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop just like that. And I'm gonna go to the top of the diagonal line, go straight down, and then loop and make a really long L, just like that. And that's the body. But before I go, I'm gonna start to make the circle and color it in, and that is the nose right there. They can smell really well. And then another circle, and that's the eye. And then a big smile, because they're all so happy. And then we need some U's, just like that, for the legs. Whoa! And then we're gonna do some upside down V's. Whoa! For the pokies. Whoa! Wow, there we go. Cute animal. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.